What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video. Recapping last week. I didn't get a chance to make a video this weekend. I was really busy this weekend. Literally every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, working nights, waking up in the morning, working again, or doing something with my wife's family. So, point is, I just had no time this week. Weekend. So I'm bringing you this video on a Monday, and I'm still just gonna recap last week. If you were trading last week, you know it was a just crazy like price action with being in these all-time highs. It's unfortunate that I got my funded account around these times. That being said, I did end the week negative, but it wasn't as bad as it could have been, and I mitigated my risk pretty well, and I didn't start revenge trading a lot. Well, I didn't really revenge trade, and yeah, we just ended the week red, which it was like a hard thing for me to do, except like taking losses and specifically ending weeks red. So anyway, yeah, let's just get into last week. Yeah, let's go. So this is Monday. This is actually pretty clean, but I didn't take this trade. Just sticking firmly to my rules, right? If you've been here, you know that I trade the opening range, but I don't like to take the opening range breakout if our EMAs are still below our VWAP, which is the case here, right? This was our breakout candle. This is my high. This is my low. We broke out here. This is all on the 5-minute. But as you can see, if you follow my cursor down, our EMA was still below our VWAP. Even though our 9 was trending above, I don't know. I just decided to like not take it. And of course it would have worked out. At least we would have got a partial. Yeah, we would have got a partial 25-point trade. Would have moved my stop to break even, and we eventually would have got stopped out. But better safe than sorry. I would rather follow my rules, so I didn't take a trade on Monday. Tuesday, sort of the same thing. I think this one would have ended up working out though, right? Like this was our break. I think in one 5-minute candle. Yeah, this 5-minute, like this dump right here, that was crazy. Same thing. Didn't take it if you follow my cursor up. Our EMA was still above our VWAP, and it just wasn't, I wasn't confident with it. And of course, it just happened to be a crazy dump, but same thing. I'd rather follow my strategy, be safe than sorry, and unfortunately, these 2 days would have worked out. Partial yesterday, full TP today, but it's okay. Wednesday, I think I did take a trade here. I'm not sure. I might have. We'll see in the at the end of the video, but theoretically I would have taken this right here. I don't know if I did, but yeah, we would have been up about 20, 19-ish points. Would have got obviously stopped out. It reversed, price reversed again, and then I would have taken this trade. As we closed back in range, our 9 still trending below. We're above or below VWAP. I would have taken this one again, and then it got instantly stopped out, and that would have been it for the day. Minus $600. I'm pretty sure I did do this. I'm not too sure. Might have broken my rules and taken this long because 2 losses, I'm done for the day. I'm not too sure. Man, let me just pull it up now. So this was today. This be for next week's video, but I took an L today, Monday. Yeah, no. See, Wednesday I took both trades. I'm pretty sure you guys can see this, but Wednesday I took both trades. Took this short, got stopped out. Took this short, got stopped out. And then, that's it for me for the day. But obviously this long probably would have hit. Yeah, this long would have worked out right here. Unfortunate, but, that's trading. Right, we were above our VWAP. Our 9 was trending above our 21. We've got a good break over here. Especially once we broke these previous highs of the day right here, or at least of the session, we ran. Unfortunate, but that's trading. I think the same thing happened here. Actually, this day I did not follow my rules too well, but I definitely mitigated my risk, so it wasn't too bad. So this would have been my entry, 9 below 21. We're below VWAP. I definitely think I'm gonna stop taking shorts around these all-time highs and just look for like retracements and longs maybe, um, or just not trade any shorts using my strategy. But actually, yeah, this trade did work out actually. So yeah, this is our break. 9-21. We're below our VWAP. I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs; they're going crazy right now. Hey, my cat's meowing at them. All right. So yeah, we would have still been in this trade. This 5 minute candle would have gave me a partial, right? 25 points. We would have broke even. We would have moved a stop to break even, and then got stopped on the next one. So we got a partial here, and then let me just bring up the chart. Let's see. Yeah, I ended positive, but I think I went crazy. So I think I hit this. Then I went for this long right here for my second trade. And got stopped out, so I was negative on the day. Then I took this long again, and then I was negative on the day. Um, So that's my three trades. I don't remember exactly what I did, but if you see, I have 7 trades. So I know I took more trades than I'm supposed to. Um, you know what I mean? But I think I was taking partials on some of these trades. Like I think I just traded more. Like I'm pretty sure I took this trade right here. You know, and I just closed out a partial. Like I probably entered early. I closed out. Actually, I don't even think I closed out a partial. I just closed out like a full. Um, Thing. You know what I mean? A full position. I don't remember what I did. I did kind of not follow my rules exactly. I know I caught this. You know what? Actually, you know what I think I did? I caught this, took a partial, and then I longed somewhere in here and won some more. And then I think I took this trade. So I cut a position here, um, cut another position at this high. Yeah, that's exactly actually what I did. So I took this trade right here, got a partial, 25 points. And for whatever reason, I think I just decided to take this long once it broke out right here. Just because, like, I don't know, shorts haven't been really working out. I saw we made a move down. We took the liquidity on the lower side of the session, and we still had this high up here to hit that didn't get taken yet. So once we moved down, we also, there's like little gaps and shit in here, or sorry, things in here. So we took this liquidity lower. And I was like, okay, if we start to move back up, and obviously, like, I've been getting murdered with shorts, so I thought a long would be good, and it ended up working out. So that's what happened. So, yeah, I won a partial here, took a partial, and took a full here, and I just kept trading. I think I lost here. So that's why I ended up with only 200 something instead of this would have been like 700, 600 something dollars. Um, So anyway, I got a little win that day. Not perfect, but I definitely mitigated my risk. Not too bad, especially since I won this little partial. If I would have lost this, then I probably would have just not traded anymore. But since I won, I just got a little. I will say I got a little greedy though. But anyway, so that was Thursday. Friday ended up being a little grind up day, but I didn't quite get anything here. Which actually, let me see. Friday, yeah, I didn't take anything on Friday. Um, um, just I don't know. I don't remember why I didn't take this, but I just know I didn't. Looking at it now, I honestly probably would have taken this. I mean, I would have taken my shots on the long. I don't know why I didn't take this. Probably was just burnt out from the week, horrible price action the day before. I know I didn't trade the best, but at least I ended green, and I for the most part followed my rules. And like I said, I mitigated my risk. So I think I just kind of sat back this day. It wasn't, beautiful. You know what I mean? VWAP was really high. Um, I mean, we did break it here, but our 9 was just starting to cross. I don't know. And then I saw these, like, wiki candles for, like, this probably, like, 30 minutes or something. Let me see. 650 to, like, honestly, about an hour of, like, just chop. So I don't think I really wanted to take anything here. I wasn't convinced with this entry. Although it would have kind of worked out. Let me see. Would have eventually got a full TP. All I know is I saw this price action. The week was already crazy, and I don't think I didn't like this setup for my strategy very well. So yeah, didn't take it. So we ended the week with really not too much going on. Didn't trade this day. We ended up winning this day, but it was kind of crazy. Um, two L's on this day right here on Wednesday. And then we didn't trade Tuesday, even though it dumped pretty well, but it didn't align. And then Monday. I know a lot of people have been getting cooked. And that's, I mean, I know that's just the game. I'm still in with my funded. Um, I want to try and take it slow. I know if I can maybe survive this with the funded, you know, maybe once price action gets a little bit better, and hopefully in the next couple weeks, or we start making some retracements down, or I don't know, you know what I mean? Like hopefully price action just gets better for me. But if I could just stay in the game, like I'm practicing all the other skills, right? Like trading and entering trades are not the hardest part. It's the psychology. Calm down. It's the psychology of it, right? Like trying not to trade when you shouldn't trade, not revenge trading, trying to mitigate your risk and follow your rules, all that stuff. So that's kind of what I guess I'm being taught right now in this market. The trades will hopefully eventually come again where it's not so crazy. But as of now, that's kind of what was going on. I guess I could give you a quick preview of today because I'm already out. But I'll cover it again next week. So same thing with my strategy here. You see super wiki price action going on here. Um, so what I kind of was looking at here, I'm kind of mad at this to be honest, but we opened up with a big gap, right? We started moving down. We made it. I'm pretty sure this is a new all-time high at 23, almost 600, 58.50. Um, anyway, so we eventually wicked down. We closed this gap. This is Monday now, so I'm just kind of giving you a preview of the next video, I guess. Before I won't go that deep then. So basically, I'll just say what. So I wasn't looking for any longs here, even though I know longs are killing it right now. But I wasn't looking for anything because where VWAP is, I was kind of looking more for the shorts, which would kind of help fill this gap anyway. So to me, the shorts made more sense, helping fill that gap. Plus VWAP's trending higher. So anyway, if we got a nice move down, which we kind of were right here, I took this this short right here. 9 below or 21. We finally got to move down. We broke the last low. We're under VWAP, and we could still feel like there's room to fill in this gap. So I figured, okay, that's a nice trade. Entered here, and we get a nice move down. We get, like 23 points, give or take. Almost to our TP, and then it just reversed all the way and took us out. So I'm done for the day. Even if we get another break somewhere, I'm done for Monday. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you that real quick since I'm making this on a Monday. But this is where my account's sitting at right now. My first week was pretty good. I started it, I think, on this Wednesday or this Tuesday. I don't remember. Go back and watch 2 videos ago. But I got 2 good trades. I was up 735. That was my account high. Then I lost those 2 trades. And then I won, kind of sketchy on Thursday. Brought the account up to about $400. You know what I mean? Ended still negative. But yeah, and then today, I lost today. I'm still up 100. I think my drawdown's still about what? About $1,400, give or take. About 1,400, 1,350. So I'm still okay. Still fighting this, and realistically, all it's gonna take is, you know, realistically, all it takes is 2 good days. I'm trading down again, and I'm not trading one-to-ones. I back tested it. The one-to-ones still are obviously hitting, right? Like 25 points. But I'm going back to my 25 points, take half the profit, move my stop to break even, and then hold for 50 points. Just because when I back tested both ways, right? Like I back tested 2-3 months of, and obviously I could back test longer, but I just did 2 to 3 months of one-to-ones and 2 to 3 months, same thing, but doing the 25 points partials, break even, and then full TP. And those trades, I ended up making more trading that way with the same trades, but just staying in longer. I ended up making more trading that way than you know, just trading 1-to-1s. Not that they don't work. I was still profitable, but like I said, I made more doing the other way, and I like trading that way. Like I like knowing that I'm in profit no matter what happens. So anyway, I say all that to say I can easily undo this with 2 trades. Two full take profit days, which would be 450 a trade for me. That's $900. I bring my account back to about 1,000, and I'm in a good spot. You know what I mean? And I have a higher threshold or whatever. So that's all I'm trying to think in my mind. I just need 2 solid good days, and they will come. Hopefully, eventually we get some good price action, we get some good movement. Um, I know there's a lot of, excuse me, I know there's a lot of news this week. Let me bring up Forex real quick. I didn't even see this today. Oh, that's all day. That's probably why price is hella crazy. But we got jolts tomorrow. We've got all red folders all day on Wednesday. It's probably going to be crazy. Thursday, we got red folders. Friday, we got PMI, red folders, orange folders. So it's going to be a crazy week. So that could be good. That could be bad. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I still have about 1,400 in drawdown. Not too bad. So I'm just looking for, to stay optimistic and hopefully we hit 2 good trades. Bring my account back up. Bring my what's it called, win loss back up, bring my all my stats up, my win percentage, everything. So I'm gonna end the video there. Hopefully it's shorter, and yeah, see you guys. Hopefully I could get a video out this Friday, without letting it go till next week. But it's trading these all-time highs are kind of hard. So like I said, it's more so the other skills for me, not getting emotional, not over trading, not doing the things I know I shouldn't do. This is what it's teaching me right now, and I think if I can really like focus on that and not tilt out and blow these accounts, like if I can actually hold this account for a month, 2 months, 3 months without blowing it, you know what I mean? I think I'll be rewarded in the end. Like, why blow this funded, get another eval or combine, try and pass it again just to pay another 150 and start over. There's no point. Like, I'd rather take it slower and actually try and like come back. I actually follow this guy on Twitter, X. His name's like Fish Trading or something. He was in drawdown like 700-800 bucks in his first funded account, and he brought it back up, and he got a payout of like I think it was like 400 or 500 bucks, which obviously is not a lot, but dang, like for not being profitable and finally like being in drawdown, having the discipline to bring it back up and bring your account balance to a point where at least you could take a payout. you know, that was pretty like dope. So shout out that Fish guy. I don't have his X or Twitter, um, but it's like Fish Trading or something. So shout out him. All I know is he's like around the same experience level as me. So if he did that and brought his account back, like I know I can do the same. Just stick to the rules and be patient. That's all he did. I think he was in like 5 or 6 days of just losing, or something like that. Like he was just on a losing streak. So brought it back, so I know I could do the same. I still got a good amount of cushion, and as long as I don't tilt out, I'm trying to keep this account for a long time. So, sorry. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video there. Yeah, see you guys next week.